So hello everyone. So in the previous lecture I have completed a predefined function in SQL Server. Now in this lecture I will cover all the join in SQL Server. So we have mostly four kind of join. So we have some others join also, but that we can derive from this join so only. Okay. So we have a join like inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. So let's see about the inner join. So in an inner join, if we do join of two tables, then only matching row return. Just example, we have one table, like I can say customer fact internet sales. So in this we have the customer key, and we have another table dim customer. So if we return, we here also we have the customer key. So if we do inner join, then the only joining, like only matching key will return here. Like all the row of matching key will return. It will not return any of the row that is not matching. So this is the inner join, and this is a diagram for inner join, only matching. So for this, let me give a small example. Let's create a one basic table. So let me remove this. Create table, and table name prod. Okay, prod id integer name varchar. This is just example 100, and then price. Okay, price also let's keep integer only. Okay, it's created. Let's put some value for this. Let me hold on one. Let me create one more table. Transaction. Trans is enough. Okay, transaction ID should be. Let me give transaction ID, and just put product ID. PID integer. Okay, and quantity integer. Okay, I created. Now let's put some value. Insert into prod values. We have integer 1, product name. Just put the famous biscuit here is Parle-G, and its price is 5 rupee. Okay. First I think I need to refresh this database. Adventure Work 2019 table. Where is my screen? Sorry. Let's come in this. Insert into prod ABCD PRD. Okay, the table is correct. Now let's put some other value, at least 3 product. Okay, and second product is I like kurkure, and the price is rupee 10. Then third product is I like bingo, and the price is 10. Okay, so let's enter this value. Okay, we inserted 3 row. Now let's insert some of the value in trans. Just give here trans value. This is the transaction ID, should be 1, product ID. Let's oh sorry, I have made a mistake. No, it's fine. Product ID, parlay, remove the parlay. We need to give product ID, like ID, product ID 1 means biscuit got sale, and number of quantity 2. Okay, kurkure got sale, so 2, and then quantity 3. Okay, and then bingo sale is not there, no one has bought a bingo. So our 2 product has got sold, and 1 product that is missing in our production table, that let's give the name as id is 4, quantity id is equal to 4, product id, sorry, it should be 3, product id 4, that is not in product table, and quantity is equal to 2. Now we have 2 tables, one is trans, one is product. Now we'll see the how join will work. Okay, select a star from trans join product on trans dot product id is equal to prod dot id. So it should return, let me show you first value, then I will tell you what it will return. Select a star from prod. Okay, so prod have 3 value, like 1 2 3, and let's see what value we have in the trans. Trans means transaction. Select a star from trans. So let's see the trans. So in the trans we have 1 2 3 transaction ID, but product ID 1 2 4. So production ID 3 is missing here. So when we 1 or 2 we have, okay, so when we do join based on product ID, it should return 1 2 only, not 3. Let's see the result. Yeah, it's written only product ID 1 2, and it missed the 3 because that is not available in trans, and this is the inner join. Next is left join. So in left join it will return matching row as well as non-matching row of left. So let's see what does it mean here. So in the product we have 1 2 3 product ID, and in the trans we have product ID 1 2. So matching row means 1 2 product ID. Okay, so these 2 should return. Okay, and in a product there is a one more ID, that is 3. So this is non-matching of left, so this one also return. Okay, but this ID should not return, product ID 4, because this is not matching, plus this is not part of left join, means product table. Let's see the result. Left join, we can see 1 2 product ID 1 2 returned. Yeah, ID 1, and it returned ID 1 and 2. Okay, and sorry, I am getting a bit confused here. What we have in the product table? Sorry, here it should be product table. My join sequence was not correct. Now it should show correct result. Yes, we can see here it's written 1 2 and 3, and then Parle-G, Kurkure and Bingo, then transaction ID 1 and 2 only, and product ID 1 and 2 only. So in the trans table we have one more product ID, that is 4, but this is not matching with the product table, and this is not part of left join, so that got missed. Now next is the right join. So in a right join what will happen? Matching row plus non-matching row of right table. Okay, so let's put here right join. So here let's again discuss about the result. So here we have 1 2 3 ID. So when I open product prod table, id means prod id, and let's see the trans. So in the trans we have prod id 1 2. So when we do left join, 1 or 2 will match, this 4 will not match, but this is part of right join. So 1 or 2 will return as well as this 4 will return, but from the prod table we can see this 3 is not part of trans table and this is not part of right part table. So this one should miss. Let's see the result. Yes, we can see like we have product id 1 2 that is matching with 1 2 and 4 that is not matching with prod, but this is part of right table, so that's why it's returned the value. Now next is full outer join. Full outer join means matching row of both table plus non-matching of left plus non-matching of right. Let's see the result again. Outer join. Sorry. Why it is giving syntax error? Outer join. It's not. Let me see the syntax for outer join. I am getting messed. I think it should be full join maybe. Temperature is go full outer join. Syntax should be full outer join. Okay. Full outer join. But still it is returning error. Why? On full outer join table 2. This is correct, but why it is returning error for me? Star from full outer join. Seriously. And one of the number. Select star from prod outer join trans on trans dot PID is equal to prod dot id. Yes, this is completely correct. Select star from table 1 auto join table 2 on this. Yes. Yeah, I'm giving condition on or. Let's put full then. Yeah, sorry, the syntax was wrong. Actually, I have to use full outer join, and earlier I was using full outer join, but I deleted this table, prod table. So we can see we have first two matching row, prod ID 1 2. This is matching in this is in the both tables. So this return 1 2, as well as this bingo that is not matching with right table, but this is also return, and the prod id 4 that is also not matching with the prod table, but this also return the value. So this is all about full outer join. So in the next lecture definitely I am going to start rank and window function. So this is the core of data analysis, that like we have a lot of like some of the rank and window function that is a core of data analysis. Like this will make our work easy. So we'll discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.